Stomp fan, what's going on, y'all? Quick and easy setups this week for you guys. With that being said, we banked last week, so get in the Discord, link in the bio. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. With that being said, there are some really easy setups this week that I really like. With that being said, war still looming. Fed's gonna be talking this week, so know that volatility is on the table. With that being said, here we go. Let's jump into the first one, Microsoft. Microsoft keeps bouncing off this demand zone. This is a beautiful, beautiful demand zone here at 375-ish, all right? So if you are looking at this right now, that 375 is bouncing off there, continues to go around that 380. We've hit that 380 and bounced multiple times. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd give it a fifth bounce right there and a sixth one on the way. So watch Microsoft to bounce. If we lose that 374.54 level, watch for downside to 366. But buyers are stepping in at this demand zone, so know that they like to buy here. So don't be chasing it. If it's already at 400, you're chasing it. Watch it back down to this demand zone, get back in. If you're right around this 381 level, watch it. I really like this level here. All right. Next one I like is Apple. Apple has earnings coming up, but you guys know we've been banking on Apple. I think Friday the cons went $50 to 800. I cashed out at 450 on my runner, so that was a great day. As you can see, we're in this beautiful box right here with Apple. Apple has been staying in this range all the way leading into earnings. I wouldn't play this after earnings, but I would play this into earnings. If you see Apple back down at this 320-ish level where we hit last week, that is a demand zone. Buyers step in there. They like to keep it above there. So this week I'm looking for a either reject at this 334.07 level and bring us back down and test this 320 and get a little liquidity sweep back up, or watch for us to gain more volume here and then push past this 335. I don't see that happening into earnings. I see us maybe getting another fall back into this 225, 226 level, and then maybe a bounce up. But you have no idea what's going on with Trump, war, market, or anything. So just know that these levels are right here on the table for you. 320, the lowest I see is 318 in this box. On top of that, you have 330 to 335, all right? I really like this setup this week, so watch for this. And then the next one I'm really liking is CBX, man. Chevron's looking beautiful. Look at this beautiful trend. It's just a bullish trend line going straight up, bullish channel on this trend actually. You're going straight up. Right now we're in the middle of the channel. I like this 193, 194 level. If we lose 193, watch for a bounce off 189. If we remain this 194 level, watch for that 200 target. I see 198 to 200 coming this week with good oil news. So watch Chevron. I really like Chevron this week. Should do well for us. A lot of people are gonna hate me for saying this one right now, but hear me out. Walmart, demand zone. That's all you need. Keeps hitting off this demand zone. It loves this 107 target. We've hit it, we bounced, we went back to 109. I love this area right here. I love Walmart at 109 to 111. Catch it back to 115. Once you get 115, get some puts on it back down to 112. Anything over 112 is still kind of bullish. This demand zone right here, I like this 107.03 and 107.69. As long as we hold those levels, watch Walmart to the upside. Let's jump into the last one, triple Qs, NASDAQ triple Qs. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, it looks terrible. Lower highs, lower lows. That is just a recipe for disaster. We had that great run up. The thing that's getting me here is we aren't just dropping like we have. We're just a big drop and then we get that run up. Right now, we're just chopping lower and we're chopping lower and we're chopping lower. And that just means the market's getting weaker and weaker. With that being said, we're at a massive demand zone right now. We're at that 684. So watch us hold this 680 level. If we lose 679, watch us back down to this Fibonacci level of, watch us back retrace to this Fibonacci of 673. After 673, we're down to 650. So tech's looking weak. As you can see, as we move over here, we throw this little channel in here, downward channel going. I mean, look at lower highs, lower lows, straight into the demand zone. We'll probably get a bounce off demand zone, probably get a small bull trap at 692. If we don't get over 692, watch for a rejection back to this 679. Watch for 675, 673, and then those nasty numbers in the 660s. So I don't see a big catalyst for QQQ doing anything good. I mean, if we don't break out of, let's say, 707, this thing's just going to continue going lower. And that would just be 707 would just be a lower high again. So watch QQQ, looks really weak. With that being said, earnings are coming up. We've seen Google get slammed, did great on earnings, got slammed. Intel did great on earnings, got slammed. Tesla, they didn't do great anyways, but they got slammed. So earnings aren't looking good. Downtrend's not looking good. War's not looking good. There's things that aren't looking good, and I'm just letting you guys know that. Do I still get calls at times? Yeah. If I see liquidity sweeps coming in, I see some demand zone bounce, I'm getting in there. With that being said, I am not swinging long term right now until I get a good direction on the market. Like I said, not financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Jump in the Discord, link in the bio. God bless.